Okay. Well, good morning, folks. Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. Did you know that every used vehicle that's on our lot has gone through my service department and been thoroughly inspected, repairs performed, maintenance done before it ever hits the lot? That's what we do here at Lochmandy Chevrolet. This vehicle has just had its reconditioning performed. It's about ready to go to detail. I'm performing the final check to make sure that there's nothing left over that the customer left in the vehicle. There's two things that folks forget the most. And I'm not talking about French fries under the seat or napkins in the glove box. The garage door opener, and the CD in the CD player. Folks, we always love to see you, but this might save you a trip back to the dealership after you've got your new vehicle. Have a great day.